Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I have some exciting items in front of me and I am going to do the unboxing video right now. I am super excited just looking at these bright happy colors. Now I have acquired these items from a company called PandaHall Selected. This is a new company that has reached out to me and I decided to give it a go. So I have got this seed bead box. Now it is really nicely packaged, as you guys can see. It has been all vacuum sealed as well. So I am going to open it up. Now they have given me the coupon code of Solae, just like my name, S-O-L-A-E, spelled just the same. And you get $6 off on orders over $59. So you can use this code Solae over and over again until 2022 September 30th. So let me go ahead and open this. This is really exciting. I love pink shades. Now I don't have a lot of seed beads, so I thought it was wonderful that I can get some more seed beads to add in my collection. This is a really nice packaging and I'm now thinking this box is good enough for me to alter. It even comes with the window. The seed bead comes in this wonderful container and you can even alter the container if you want for embellishment box, as you can see. And I love the compartments that it has. So let's go ahead and open it. So in this seed bead pack, you get about 4,200 beads. And I really like this particular one I have selected because you get some pearlescent one, like you see here. And you also get some iridescent pink ones. And you also get the clear seed bead with the colors in the middle. And you also get some red color ones, which I thought would be perfect for Christmas crafting. And you also get some clear, transparent one. Once again, you get some iridescent red ones and matte colors and so and so. And I am going to have a lot of fun creating with these. So that's the first item. Let's put that aside. Next one I have got is a clear container filled with these yummy, delicious gummy bears, you guys. When I saw this on their website, and look, they package it so nicely that it's all in there. When I saw this on their website, I just could not resist. So this has a really nice container as well, and I can see that it's also taped. So I better get that tape off. And it also arrived in a bubble packaging mailer. And everything was nicely protected. So let's get this tape off so we can have a look at the colors of the yummy gummy bears. This is a really nice container, I must say. Look at that. Really nice size container, bigger than my hand. And inside they have put the gummy bears in the zipped bag as well. Look at all of these. Now let me open the zip bag and I'm gonna pour it into the container. Oh my gosh. I love that this company provides not just the zip bag, but also a container to hold all of these gummy bears, you guys. I am super excited. Look at this one. Now let me see if I can find some white paper to back it. Here we go. Look at this. You get like ombre color pink ones. And you also get some clear transparent ones. And this one has like tiny sparkles in them as well, you guys. I love that. Here is a one with another sparkly bit, but it has two-tone color of the yellow and the green. Almost like lemon lime flavor. Here's a one that's orange sparkle teddy gummy. Oh my gosh, these are just so good. I love them. Oh my goodness, I really love these. let's go ahead and find some different ones. This is the one with the lavender, purple, and the pink. Here is a transparent one with the sparkle, with the clear and the pink. I've showed you that one. Here's a blue one. And here is this different one that's not transparent. Blue and lemony color. What else do they have? They also have this blue, darker blue, with the purplish color in the middle and the pink at the bottom. And then they also have this one where it's like goes from red to orange, and they all have sparkly bits in them, you guys. Here is the one that kind of almost reminds me of Coca-Cola flavored jelly. Look at that one there. Love these. Oh my gosh. And there's so many in here. Now in this box you get 200 pieces of these gummy pieces. There's another transparent one with the pink all the way down to the lavender color. Oh my gosh, I'm just going through and seeing what other colors they have. Oh, this is another one. Pink and blue tone, like pastel color one. I think I have showed you all the different variety. Showed you that one. These are really, really great. I have showed you all the variety, you guys. And look at all of this yumminess. Oh my goodness. Wow. At the moment, I have no idea what I'm going to create with these, but I am sure I'm going to really enjoy using these gummy resin pieces. So many bright, happy colors in there. I love the glittery sparkles in them, and they are really great quality. Like they're all very smooth, so I'm very happy with this as well. So let me put this aside. And then I saw this. Now there are a lot of crafters that have been using the heishi beads or heishi beads, and they're the clay beads, the clay sequin looking beads. Now I wasn't too interested in the heishi beads that much, but I saw this one, and this one is in shape of a flower. Look at that. Can you guys see that? And you get in this pack 15 strands of it. So it's bundled up like this in the zip bag. Like that. Look at that. And you get variety of colors. You get like reds and blues and pinks and lime green, yellows. You get some fluorescent colored ones like of the orange shades. You get purple ones as well. And I love the fact that it's mixed with the white colors as well. It's got plenty of different color combinations. I can make so many dangles with this. I mean, look at all of these colors, you guys. So many different shades of green as well. You get darker ones and lighter ones and fluorescent ones. You get so many different shades of pinks and the purples. I mean, look at these purple ones here. And there's a darker one there. Really, really nice. And they feel so nice too. Yeah. So I am excited to create with these. So many beautiful colors. So you guys, let me remind you that you can use my name as a coupon code, discount code. You get $6 off on orders over $59. I will have the links down in my description area so you guys can go and view more products from PandaHall Selected. Thank you so much for being here with me. Have a wonderful day. Bye.